Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce weekdays in Russian. So we will start with Monday. We will say понедельник, понедельник, понедельник. Tuesday, вторник, вторник, вторник. Wednesday, среда, среда, среда. Thursday, четверг, четверг, четверг. Friday, пятница, пятница, пятница. This is easy to pronounce because Friday is the fifth day of the week. So, and пятница starts with the same like пять, which you already know. Then Saturday we will say суббота, суббота, суббота. And finally, the last one is Sunday, which we pronounce воскресенье, воскресенье. Воскресенье. It's the longest one. So let's repeat. Понедельник, вторник, среда, четверг, пятница, суббота, воскресенье. So it's just the names of weekdays. We use it in a simple sentence like, what is it today? Какой сегодня день? It's Monday. Понедельник. What is it today? It's Monday. But answering the question when, we need to change a little and use the preposition before. The preposition which is going to be used is v, v, v. So if you want to say on Monday, you would say в понедельник, в понедельник, в понедельник, and you do not change the name of the weekday. So, понедельник, Monday. On Monday, в понедельник. Any weekday which finishes consonant, they are понедельник, вторник, четверг, воскресенье. This is neutral one, but works like a masculine one in Russian. We don't need to change. We just use preposition before. В понедельник, в четверг, воскресенье. В понедельник, в четверг, воскресенье. Tuesday, вторник is also masculine now, also consonant in the end, but вторник starts with two consonants, and if we add preposition which is consonant as well, it will be three consonants, and it's difficult to pronounce. To make it easier to pronounce, we would add extra vowel. So on Tuesday in Russian you should pronounce во вторник, just to make it easier for you to pronounce. Во вторник, во вторник. So, what is happening with Wednesday, среда, Friday, пятница, Saturday, суббота? What is going to happen with these weekdays? These weekdays finishes R. That means, for Russian grammar, that they are feminine ones. And feminine ones have to be changed. The last letter R is going to be U. So, Wednesday, среда. On Wednesday, в среду. Friday, пятница. On Friday, в пятницу. Saturday, суббота. On Saturday, в субботу. So, let's say that again. Понедельник, в понедельник. Вторник, во вторник. Среда, в среду, четверг, в четверг, пятница, в пятницу, суббота, в субботу, воскресенье, no changes, в воскресенье. And you can even pronounce воскресенье, воскресенье. So the preposition в and the word starts with v, so link together. That sounds something like you pronounce without the preposition. Воскресенье. So let's practice in a short dialogue. See you on Monday. We would say увидимся в понедельник. See you on Tuesday. Увидимся во вторник. See you on Wednesday. Увидимся в среду. See you on Thursday. Увидимся в четверг. See you on Friday. Увидимся в пятницу. See you on Saturday. Увидимся в субботу. See you on Sunday. Увидимся в воскресенье. Please subscribe my channel and text me in your comments when we will see next time. До свидания.